Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a custom background image in Visual Studio Code. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open the Visual Studio Code software, then tap on this file in the top right corner and tap on it and tap on this add folder to a workspace. Here in the search bar, you have to search for background and you can see the results here. Just simply install this one here. After installing, just copy this here, select all and simply tap on this extension settings. Now when you are on this page, scroll down and tap on this edit in settings.json. Now here you have to paste that one you have copied. Now go to Google and copy this, select this and paste that one you copied from Google. So you have to copy this image address and just simply paste it here. Now go back to settings, cross this and cross the settings as well. And then you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to set a custom background image in VS Code. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.